Hey eBay sellers, it's Suzanne. I'm just popping on for a quick video to warn you about an eBay shipping glitch that is overcharging for postage when you're using the eBay shipping workflow. And I'm sure this is not intentional. It's just some kind of glitch in the eBay system, and hopefully it will be corrected soon. But until then, you really need to pay attention when you are printing your labels, because here's what's happening. Today I sold this Cavu bag. Everything looks fine on the sales record there. When I click print shipping label, here is the screen, and you can see that this item should go first class. That is what the buyer chose. However, the default is on priority. So it's charging a little bit more, and that's not what the buyer chose. Down here you can see the little blue bubble where it says buyer selected. That's what the buyer paid for. So if you don't pay attention to this and it's choosing a more expensive option by default, then you're just going to be out that extra money because the buyer didn't pay for that. So there's the buyer selected bubble. And also over on the right, under the image of the item, you can see, again, buyer selected first class. This can really cost you some money if that default is more expensive than what the buyer paid. So this is just a warning to slow down when you are printing your labels and pay attention to what the buyer selected in comparison to what is chosen by default, because that extra money is going to come out of your account and the buyer didn't pay for that. So just a quick warning to help save you some money. Pay attention and stay on top of things. Sometimes when we go too fast, it causes problems and costs us money. So I hope that was helpful, and hopefully this will be fixed soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.